My dear friends, my dear masters, and my dear gods, Mahavatar TV welcomes you all to the 21 days holistic wellness program, batch 16, day 20. Before commencing the session, I would like to offer my sincere pranamas to our great grandmaster Mahavatar Babaji and our grandmaster Brahmashri Patriji sir, and my sincere pranamas to our beloved Guruji Ranganath sir. So, in today's session, we are going to cover 4 new topics, masters. We are going to start with holistic health by Sri Pallavi madam. After that, Deepika ma'am is sharing a topic about acupressure for ear aches, and mudras by myself. And we will conclude today's session with open eye guided meditation by Sri Pallavi ma'am. On behalf of Nagraj sir, yes, over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Sindhura ma'am. Today, as we have come to the end of the session, tomorrow will be the last day of this batch. So I would like to say, what is holistic health? This is told by Patriji sir. So holistic health mainly consists of 5 components. So it consists of physical health, mental health, intellectual health, social health, and then spiritual health. So if you have all these 5 components healthy only, you are perfectly holistically healthy. So what is holistic? Means wholesome. So we know that. So to reach to the holistic health, we have to take care of all these 5 components. So first one is physical health. If you are if you don't have any diseases, illness, if you take care of your physical body completely, that you are in good physical health. So we always have to use the home remedies, ayurvedic, homeopathic, all those things only. Better not go to the allopathic medicine, which suppresses our diseases. So always our Rangnath sir always gives us the remedies through mudras, acupressure, all those things. Home remedies, marma therapy, auto urine therapy, all those things. Through this, we can achieve our good health. Okay, this is physical health. The second one would be mental or emotional health. Mental or emotional health, you should not be depressed. Even if someone insults you, you should not take it to your heart. You should come to that stage. Sometimes you will get upset with other people if they say, for small things, you will get upset, right? So you should come to such state that even if someone insults you badly, you should not take it into your mind or your brain. So that you should reach to that level. That is second component. Third component will be intellectual health. Intellectual health means you should reach to that stage by doing swadhyaya, sajjana sangatya, and meditation. Mainly it says like even any spiritual thing, if you are learning, if you are reading, or if you are listening from other people's, you should be able to know the exact meaning of what they are teaching. So if you get any doubts, so that means you are not up to the mark. You have not reached intellectual health to highest peak. So through meditation, Sajjan Sangatya and Swadhyaya, you can reach intellectual health as well. And fourth will be spiritual health. Spiritual health means we must know what we are in our true essence. Basically, we should be able to feel and understand that we are an eternity and an infinity of fundamental pure consciousness. We are an Atma. So we all know we are Atma, but still we should come to such state that we are not different from gods. We are also part of God. So we are also gods. Through meditation and all, we can achieve that thing as well. So that consists of spiritual health. And then next will be social health. That is also very important. important point taught by Patriji sir. So we should be very responsible for all-round health of our fellow beings as well in the society. So how can you reach social health? By no, if we are not working for betterment of the fellow beings, then we do not have social health. He says like that. So if I don't teach meditation to you, it means I don't have social health. This is told by Patriji sir. If he wouldn't have taught us meditation, we wouldn't have reached the social health. So according to him, we should always teach meditation to others for the well-being of social health, and we are also doing meditation for wellness of the world health wellness. We'll be doing every Sunday, right? So that meditation also we should do. Social health is our dharma, we should follow it. We don't perform if we are not doing that dharma, we are not performing our social dharma. So we by keeping all these 5 components in mind, and to achieve that, we can achieve holistic health. This is what Patriji sir has told us. So, being that's how our Mahavatar Foundation also has designed. So every day we are doing all these 3 things, and Friday we will be learning how to improve our health by through acupressure or mudras or home remedies and other meditation techniques and all, yoga, pranayama also we'll be doing, we'll be learning. Okay, masters. This is now I'll be concluding it. If you have any doubts, 1 or 2 questions we can take, or else Deepika ma'am will continue.
Masters, if you have any doubts, please come forward and ask. Thank you, ma'am, for educating us on 4 pillars of holistic health, that is physical health. So please take care of your physical health. Don't go for allopathy. That is the main thing. And regarding mental health, so health is defined as overall physical and mental health. And also the well-being of mental health is also very important. So it should not be neglected. Thank you for educating us, ma'am. And also about the social, how human is a social animal, basically. So how he has to interact with the society, being a spiritual a seeker as well. And if you are spiritual means you are already doing good karmas towards society, and that is how you are going to live on this planet. Thanks for educating us, ma'am. Next topic is about acupressure for ear health. That is over to Deepika, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Sindula. And good evening to my dear masters. And let's learn how to, if we have an ear issue, how could we treat that? Okay, we'll learn about that now. So I'm going to teach about the acupressure point also on the ears. So now, the ears are the pair of organs like we have on both sides of the head. They allow us to hear and balance our body, right? So they detect the sound. Ears in the body, they detect the sound. So while the outer ear, that which is usually seen, it is responsible for sensing sound signals. So whereas the actual hearing process takes place inside the ear canal, the ear drums and all. So along with the central nervous system and the brain. So it is always advisable to keep your ears closed in extreme temperatures. So like when your ears are exposed to extreme temperatures like excessive heat or excessive cold, they can trigger earaches. So these are the main causes for your earaches, one of the main causes. And there are different kinds of earaches having different causes. So let's learn few of them. The thing is, like, identifying the right cause can help us understand the problem we are facing. And also pressing at the particular acupressure point at the right points that could heal, and you'll get a relief from the ear pain, right? So let's discuss like what are those various kinds of earaches and causes. So one is like an ache that gets worse over weeks and months. Like when going on the weeks and months, it gets worse and worse. A kind of blocked sensation and a kind of ringing in the ear that could be due to excess earwax. So the earwax, it gets accumulated and it's get hardened and in the outer ear canal, and that causes these kind of issues like you'll be like kind of blocked sensations, or something is ringing in your ear. All these things are due to excess earwax. And the other kind is barotrauma. That means the ache due to air travel. So when you're scuba diving, so there are like different layers of atmosphere, right? Different layers. So that's caused due to large changes in the altitude and atmospheric pressures. Because of that air travel, there could be a kind of earache. That is another type. And the other type is the swimmer's ear. Like when usually we dip in the water, or like frequently, not like once in a time, most oftenly if they dip in the water, or the swimming in swimming sports and things, water sports and things, so a kind of itching in the ear happens, and that turns to a sharp pain, like something poking in the ear, that kind of pain. And which if there is kind of yellowish discharge along with these symptoms, and these are because of it's caused by water entering into the ear. It could be like while swimming, or while dipping in the river or something, or while taking shower, and when the water gets into your ear. And if you can these kind of symptoms like itching in the ear, which turns to sharp pain, and if there is an yellowish discharge, it's because of the water entering into ear. So what you have to do is you have to prevent water entering into the ear for at least 3 weeks, if you can. So to that, you may use some shower cap when you go into the water. If you use shower cap that covers your ear, then that works. And in that way, you can prevent water entering into the ear. And these are another kind of issue. And the other kind is if you have an earache on the same side of the toothache. So if you're having a toothache, and on the same side of that toothache, if you have an earache, it is generally due to the tooth problems, like it could be tooth decay, or it could be some gum issues, gum problems. So this is another kind of ear ache you may get. So the other kind is like if you have any sudden ear pain, and that is after, usually if you have any injury, or if you have an infection, and if you have a sudden ear pain, and if there is a kind of bleeding or any discharge or pus from the ear, if you feel any kind of dizziness, if you feel an alarm like ringing in the ear, or if there is any partial hearing loss, then that is the indication of the ruptured eardrum. So these are the things. So these are the kinds of aches, and these are the causes you like generally a common person sees. Like, so these are the issues, and activating the ear point before air travel will help reduce the earache during the journey. So let's see the acupressure point for to prevent all this earaches. So when you take your hand straight to the little finger, and there is a line like this, right? So underneath that, if the little finger and underneath that, if you press here, like press and hold for 15 seconds, and for 2 to 3 minutes of time, if you do it continuously, if you have a severe kind of pain, or if you think like I can't tolerate, then just leave it. If you're comfortable with that, then just hold it for 15 seconds and leave that. You should feel the pressure. You can use either thumb finger or the index finger to press. So if you do like this and hold it for 15 seconds and leave it, like if you do daily 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 minutes, then you may prevent this kind of earaches. So like our body has a general common healing power, right? So our body can heal anything. So if you give this kind of things, then that could work. And if your problems are severe, like you had a lot of earwax and all, it's better you go get cleaned it. But if from the initial stage and all, it's better like if you just press it, it works. And the other thing is like the little finger, when you see the bottom part, this is the ear point, acupressure point, and the ring finger at the same place. Here is also the acupressure point. You could press like this here at these places also. So these places and this place, these are the acupressure points for the ears. And another home remedy is like if you heat some coconut oil, heat it with a clove of garlic, and let it come to the room temperature. And if you use those drops, then that could also relieve the ear pain. Any questions, masters? The better thing is cover your ears in the extreme weathers. So if you cover the ears in the extreme, the ears are like more sensitive. If you cover in extreme weathers, either the cold weather or the hot heat weather, you may prevent many kinds of earaches and ear issues.
Masters, do you have any questions? Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Masters, now we will move on to the next topic, that is back mudra. It is very simple. Yes. Bhuwana ma'am is asking to show you once again. Bhuwana ma'am,
Okay.
this one.
So
Here.
you take the little finger and there is a line here, right? So beneath that, straight to the little finger, there's an acupressure point for the ear. This is the one. Got it? This is the point. Okay. So you're not able to mute. Maybe your phone got stuck, I think. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Let's
if you have
try.
any doubts, you can type in the chat box.
Yeah. Yeah. Now she's able to. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So Vedavati Garu, you have any question?
I would like.
Both the hands we
I
have
would
to do?
Yes. Yeah, but any one hand is enough. Yeah. You may do on both the hands also.
I would like to give one tip.
Okay.
If when you have a extreme cold, what you should do is put a little bit of Vicks or any menthol plus any balm or a little garlic in the cotton, and you can, if you keep, it will warm up your whole head and this portion.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for your advice.
It will reduce cold.
It will reduce cold. Okay. The garlic usually generates heat.
Huh. You must smash little bit.
Smash.
And
Yeah.
then keep it inside the cotton, and if you keep it, will give warmness to the whole body and especially to the head, and the cold cough will reduce.
Yes. Thank you so much, Vedavati Garu. Even from olden days, it carries like these few tips, but they're more efficient, right? Effective and efficient.
But you should never try to remove your wax by
With the
yourself.
earbuds.
No. You should never use earbuds also.
Yeah, we should
Only
never
upper
use
portion
earbuds.
you can clear.
It will push
Hurt
inside.
the eardrum. That's what happened to one of my aunt. Always she used to poke the nose. I mean eardrum got damaged, and she can't hear now. If we say how are you? She'll say, I just had my breakfast.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, ear is one of the important organ, like
Yeah,
to
very important.
communication and all, right?
Mm.
We have to take care of our ears. Each and every
Yes,
organ
you
is
should,
vital, but yeah.
you should never touch your ears. Very
Yes.
important, very delicate.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, Indira, can go ahead.
Okay, masters. So we'll start with back mudra. This is very helpful for those who are suffering from backache. Very simple. I'll share image so that you can get it easily. Yes. See, here in the right hand, so we are going to use both the hands for the mudra. So from right hand, the thumb, the middle finger and the little finger, alternate fingers. So these three must join together. And from the in the left hand, that is the joint of the thumb, the first joint. Hope you have all seen. So this is in right hand. So that is thumb and middle finger and little finger. Alternate fingers. We are going to join this first. And on the left side, left hand, the first joint is there, right? Not the tip, but the joint of the thumb is going to touch the nail of index finger. That's it. So this is back mudra. So what are the benefits of back mudra? So as the name suggests, this is very useful for relieving this back pain. If somebody has a very weak back and has engaged in heavy activities and has strained their back too much, so this mudra will immediately relieve their pain. It is primarily effective for relieving the painful tensions from spine. And it is more effective if it is performed in the that is on lying position. So you can see the second image down the mudra, that is a person is lying and he's performing the mudra. So first you have to lie down on your back on a flat surface or floor, and when doing this mudra, keep the chin pulled in slightly and make sure the neck is stretched, and place your legs on a chair or table in 90-degree angle and stay there for 20 minutes holding this mudra, that is right hand and left hand both. So for 20 minutes you have to stay lying on the floor like this. So this will immediately relieve the discomfort from the back issues. So this is about back mudra. And while doing, yes, that is, yes, Deepika. So that is how it is performed. If there is a severe pain in spinal cord or backbone issues, so they can perform this mudra lying on the floor for 20 minutes. But while you are doing this mudra by lying on the floor, make sure your stomach is empty. That is the only rule for this. Otherwise, you can perform it 4 to 5 times a day as a medicine, as a therapy. And next, we will move on to the next interesting mudra, that is Kubera mudra. In Hinduism, Kubera is called as wealth of God. Sorry, God of wealth. So this mudra is dedicated to the god Kubera. It is very simple. Place the first three fingers, that is thumb, index and the middle finger. Join the tips and place them together. The rest two fingers, the other fingers, they should bend, and they should bend inside. You have to bend the other fingers inside the middle of the hand. It should touch the middle of the hand like this, closed. So this is Kubera Mudra. Here. Okay. So Kubera Mudra is also known as manifestation mudra. People use it when they are looking for something specific in their life. Like if they have any goals and wishes to be fulfilled. So they use this mudra for fulfilling their goals. And this mudra also helps in working towards future goals. Why? Because that is by closing the fingers like this, we are giving strength to the matter and the thought to manifest. And this mudra has some spiritual benefits as well. That is, it also gives inner peace, concentration, and it improves one's memory and confidence. And also Kubera Mudra has many health benefits too. That is, it helps to cleanse the congested frontal sinuses. Yes. So here we have sinus, this empty hollow space in our skull. So if that is congested, some people are allergic to dust and cold, so they get infection. So to relieve the infection, this Kubera Mudra is very much effective. And for manifestation purpose or for wish fulfilling purpose, so you first thing you have to sit at a calm place where you are undisturbed, and you have to visualize your goal in your mind before performing this mudra, and then speak that wish into words, and make sure your wish is positive, and it should be enriching your surrounding world also. So it should not be negative wish. So make sure it is positive, and it is helpful for everybody. It's not going to do any harm to others. So if you just speak your wish 3 times and perform this mudra, Kubera Mudra, with both hands for 20 minutes with intensity. So this is going to work. So the time, it doesn't matter how long you do this mudra, but it does matter that you do this mudra with intensity. Then only this will work. And there are no rules. Direction, yes, any direction you can do. Facing to northeast or east. So any direction, west or any direction, south. So direction doesn't matter. What matters is the intensity that you put in your thoughts and your speech. That is all matters. Okay. And for health benefits, as Kubera Mudra, it will open the sinuses, frontal sinuses, and also it improves the memory of students. And also it improves confidence. So these are the benefits of Kubera Mudra. And one more, that is back mudra, which is good for relieving the painful tensions from spine and backbone. Masters, if you have any questions, please come forward. So let me just repeat once again both the mudras. This is back mudra. It's the right hand. Keep the 3 fingers like this. And with the left hand, that is the joint of the thumb should be touching the index finger. That is the tip of index finger. So this will cure the back pain, and also it is good for the women during menstruation. Sanskrit name, no ma'am, there is no Sanskrit name. It is called back mudra. I don't know about the Sanskrit name. I didn't know search in Google as well. So this is back mudra. It is called back mudra. So this is useful for relieving the back pain issues. Okay, and the next is Kubera Mudra. Okay, masters, if you have any doubts, you can come forward and ask. Merudanda is again, it is spinal cord, the spine. We call it now vertebrate. That itself is called Merudanda, ma'am.
I think Palaniappane sir has got some ear doubt, I think.
The acupressure topic is so. Sir, can you unmute yourself?
Namaskaram, madam. Good evening, madam. Good evening.
Yes,
Madam, regarding ear cleaning, one small doubt, madam. Daily after bath, I'm using earbuds to clean my ear for the past 2 months or so. Can I do like that? Hello?
Yes, Falani Appanigar. Just
Yes, madam.
externally, if you think that cotton swab will absorb the water, it's okay, but do not let it go inside deeper. So usually
Okay.
in our olden grandmother and all, they take a cotton cloth and they do like this and they do. That is more better.
Oh, yes, madam. That
Yeah.
is also not so deep, only
Yeah,
external.
not so deep. Yeah,
Yes.
just if you feel like you have some water and you want to make that water go or absorb, you can use it externally.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, madam.
Yeah. Thank
Thanks,
you.
madam. Thanks.
Yes, Sindhurama.
Okay, masters, any other questions? Okay, then we will move on to the meditation.
Vedavati ji, Rajshekhar, yeah, I'll give you one by one.
Sithira madam, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sometimes, due to severe gas, also you get severe back pain.
Yes,
That
yes.
time, this mudra will that work?
Yes, of course. See, all our organs, the nerves are connected to our spinal cord only, that backbone. So that if any organ is suffering, so it will affect the back also. It will get pain.
But
So
due to gas, sometimes it pains severely.
yes, yes. So every organ, if it is suffering, so because the nerves are connected to our spinal cord only, all the nerves of the organs. So that's why that will affect on means that shows the effect on our spinal cord as well. So yeah. So in that case, you can practice this mudra. If you're suffering too much, you can lie down on a flat surface. Make sure on a mat or on a floor. If you can't lie down on floor, so make sure you put a mat, that is a grass or any plastic or yoga mat, and you can perform this mudra. But make sure your legs should be placed in 90 degree.
I
Yes.
can't do that. But nowadays I'm using
Now you can take the support of chain
pyramid
and
pillows.
table also.
No, I'm using a pyramid pillow. While sitting,
Okay.
I use it at the back, and while sleeping, I use it on the under the head as a pillow.
Okay.
That is working well.
Okay. So whilst using that pillow also, you can just hold the mudra.
Uh-huh.
Yes, you can hold the mudra for 15-20 minutes. That
Okay.
is more than enough, ma'am. Twice or thrice a day, it will work. If you
Thank you.
regularly practice twice a day or thrice a day, so it will relieve you from all the back pain. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, masters, we will move on to the open eye meditation. That is Mahakasha Tattva. Yes, Raj Shikir, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, could you unmute? Unmute yourself,
Yes,
sir.
madam. Madam. Good evening, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thanks for giving for lesson. Just 2 months of back mudra and Kumar mudra. We have to use daily 5 minutes for back mudra and Kubera mudra. Correct, madam. Back mudra for the severe back pain and the Kubera mudra for increase the power and intelligence purpose. Right, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For inner peace, confidence, for calmness, serenity, everything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving lessons for those. This is too interesting. We have learned. We
Okay.
have learned from next for this. We have what sometimes back pain is there. No? This is good for that. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. My pleasure. Okay, then over to you, Pallavi, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Like last week and before to that week, we have learned open eye meditation. First, Akasha Tattva, and then second technique is Chidakasha Tattva. Now we'll be learning about Mahakasha Tattva. These three techniques, if you follow for 21 days, 21 days, one technique, and the second will be from 22nd day to 21 days. And then from that second, after reaching 21 days of second technique, you can start with third technique. So like that, 63 days, if you perform these techniques, you will get many benefits. Like your optical nerve gets benefited, it gets strengthened. For small kids and all, if they perform, they can get rid of specs as well. If they have got some little problem with the eye vision and all, they can get rid of this thing. You can see improvement in your vision. And the other benefits are BP gets normal, and you can diabetes also gets better, it seems. So some people, they have given feedback to Nagraj sir that even their BP also has come to normal, and even their diabetes also come to normal. And other benefits are like your memory power will increases as you are growing older and older. Our memory power gets decreased, right? So performing these techniques, we can improve our memory power. It is beneficial for students as well. And if you have severe headache problems, you will get rid of this headache too. So best example is Nagraj sir itself. He used to work day and night doing seva and normal work and all. So he got more stressed, and he got severe headache, and he was hospitalized in Niman's hospital also, it seems. By doing this, by learning and doing this technique, he got rid of headache. So this is that powerful technique. We should be thankful to Nagraj sir by teaching us these techniques. So, and I will also say what are the do's and don'ts. Like if you are doing this meditation, you should not blink. As much as possible, you should not blink your eyes. If you are blinking also, no problem. You just concentrate on the point on the nose. If you can blink, if you are blinking also, no problem. Don't get discouraged. By practicing, you will achieve that. And yeah, first time when you are doing, you have to do 21 days, 21 days, 21 days, 63 days. After completion, you can do whichever technique you want, either Akasha Tattva, Chidakasha Tattva, or Mahakasha Tattva. Chidakasha Tattva is used mainly for meditation. When you are doing for meditation, every day you can do Chidakasha Tattva and do the meditation. And for this Mahakasha Tattva, what you have to do is you have to go to balcony. So that image you have to see in the sky, dark sky, mainly opposite to the moon. Can we all go to balconies, masters, to practice to see that? If you can do it, we'll just give you 1 or 2 minutes. If you can go to balcony and experience it, it will be wonderful. If you can't do it, at least learn the technique, and while practicing a technique, do it in the dark, outside the house. Dark place you have to sit, and you should look into sky, which is opposite to moon. Darker side of the sky only you should see it to see the image. Okay, masters? Okay, we'll start with the meditation. I'll be sharing the picture of the Buddha. You should keep your mobile parallel to your face, and you should keep on concentrating on the point on the nose of the Buddha. Okay, everybody, please keep your mobile parallel to your face and keep on staring at the tip of the nose of the Buddha. Okay, I'll start counting. Yeah, you can turn off your lights. If you can't go outside, at least you can turn off your lights and sit in your room. Yeah, just concentrate on the nose of the Buddha. I'll start counting. And one more thing, when I say if you are after 30 counts, I'll ask you to take deep breath. That time, don't close your eyes. Okay, just keep on staring on the nose of the Buddha. That point on the nose of the Buddha. Okay, masters, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Keep on staring at the nose point on the Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Immediately look on the sky. So you are seeing the beautiful, colorful, biggest image of the Buddha on the sky. Buddha image will be moving here and there. Don't go with the image. It shows how much you have got the concentration. If you have more and more concentration, Buddha will stay at one point itself. If it doesn't have that much concentration, the Buddha will be moving here and there. Don't go with the Buddha's image. Just stay at one point itself until you see the Buddha image. It's a wonderful, colorful, beautiful Buddha image. Biggest form of Buddha image. Right, masters? Again, see the image on the mobile or which I am sharing. The tip of the nose of the Buddha. Again, I'll be starting with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Keep on staring at the Buddha. Don't close your eyes. Again, I'll be starting the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Immediately see on the sky. You will see more and more clearer Buddha than the first time. The biggest, beautiful Buddha. By practicing more and more times, you'll be seeing clearer and stagnant Buddha. You are observing the Buddha, colorful Buddha, bright Buddha, beautiful Buddha. Right, masters? We'll practice once again. Please look at the image. See the point on the nose of Nose of the Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Don't close your eyes. Keep on staring at the Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Immediately see on the sky. You are seeing more and more clearer Buddha, right? The beautiful Buddha, the peaceful Buddha, more and more clearer Buddha. By practicing more and more times, you will achieve stagnant Buddha. Don't worry if your Buddha is moving here and there. Practice makes man perfect. Okay, masters. We have done 3 times. So while practicing, minimum 5 times you have to practice to get more and more benefits of this technique. Okay, masters. Please share your experience. How did you feel? Dharani ma'am has said that she saw Buddha on the sky. Very good, ma'am.
Palani Apani, unmute yourself.
Good evening, madam. Thanks, madam. All the 3 times I saw Buddha picture, madam. Very beautiful. Thanks, madam.
So how was the Buddha? How did you see? Colorful? Which
Colorful,
type of?
madam. Colorful Buddha, clear. I saw all the 3 times. Clear. I was in the room only, inside my room. Since I put up the lights, I saw in the ceiling of my room, I could be able to see Buddha. Maybe
Yeah,
next
you
time.
practice outside, sir. You will see bigger and bigger Buddha, bigger size Buddha. That is very much, you should experience it. Yeah.
Yes, madam. Surely, madam. Yes, madam. So I should see the sky, madam.
Yeah, darker
the
side of the sky. Opposite, if your moon is there, if it is full moon or something like that, you should see opposite side of the moon, so that you can see darker sky. That time, if, as the darker sky, you see the more clearer Buddha.
during Amavasya period also, time also I can see in the sky, no?
Yeah, that
Giving
time
amount.
you will see very beautiful Buddha.
Yes,
As
sure,
we are
madam.
Bhuvana ma'am saying excellent view. Chitra ma'am also said she also saw.
Yeah, Buna ma'am, you can unmute and share your experience.
Yeah,
Yeah, you muted it. Unmute yourself.
I am. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. You can go ahead, ma'am. I think your network is not good, ma'am. I'm not able to.
And all the 3 times I could see. Even in between, I tried also. With the 3 rooms also, I would able to see. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me,
you
madam?
should practice that every day, 21
Hello?
days. So to achieve more beautiful Buddha, to get more concentration, more memory power. So all these three techniques, which sir has taught us, it is there in our YouTube channel, Mahavatar TV.
Okay.
Practice all the 3 mudras for 63 days and then share what is your experience. Now what you are feeling. After that, what are the benefits you got? You just share with us after 63 days as well, ma'am.
Thank you. Madam, one request. First time I attended, second time I missed it. Actually, what is that one? Can you tell me?
It's shared in the group, ma'am. Mahavatar Open Eye Meditation, Chidakasha Tattva. Chidakasha Tattva. That is very beneficial for meditation. When you are doing meditation, you can do that for 5-10 minutes, and if you do the meditation, you will get a deeper meditation experience.
That is also looking at the picture of.
Now we are looking in the sky. That was like looking on the wall.
No, that is closing your eyes and doing it.
First one is looking on the wall.
Chidakasha Tattva. Chidakasha Tattva.
Yeah, one is looking on the wall and the second is closing your eyes. And now is looking in the sky.
First one looking on the wall, that I have seen. Second one I have missed. What is that?
Closing your eyes.
Closing the eyes, we are able to see Buddha.
Yeah, same technique. You have to close your eyes and feel the Buddha statue, Buddha image.
Right.
If you have any doubts, you can watch the video as well, ma'am. We have the video in the group.
That is second one, what is called? Chitakasha Tattva.
Tattva. Chidakasha Tattva.
So this one, now what we did is?
Mahakasha Tattva.
Mahakasha Tattva. First one?
Akasha Tattva.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have noted.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vedavati garu.
I really enjoyed. It was full sky Buddha with a maroon shirt, the nice lipstick, curly hairs, very nice, very clearly I saw.
Yeah, for this technique, we have to go outside and experience.
I went to the terrace.
Yeah, I'm saying it to others who could not experience, who did in the room. They have to go out and practice these techniques. They will feel that experience. They will get to know about that experience. Bigger Buddha statue, Buddha.
Opposite side, same side of moon, all 3 I experienced. All 3 I could see.
Yeah, as Amavasya is nearing, we'll be seeing more darker sky now. So when we have a bigger moon, that time you have to see opposite side to the moon.
Opposite side. Yes. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you practice all these 3 techniques and share this thing. What are the experience? What are the changes you saw after 63 days?
Now, see, all these 3, 21 days can we not practice?
No.
All
First
3,
time when you are
21
practicing,
days.
to get more benefit, you have to practice one technique 21 days, and the other second technique 21 days, and the third technique 21 days. After 63 days, you can do whatever you want. First time when you are doing, you do 63 days, 21 days, 21 days, 21 days. 3 techniques you have
21
to follow.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
That is like one diksha you are doing. To get more benefits of these techniques, you have to do 63 days.
We will start from first 21 days, like holistic.
Yeah. Any other masters? You want to share any experience of this? Ramachandran sir wants to share. You can unmute, sir. Ramachandran sir. You are not able to do it. You can do you're not able to do it, sir. I think you should try it once again.
I think he don't want to talk.
No, he is pressing it, but maybe due to technical issue, he is not able to do it, I think.
Maybe it got stuck. I don't know. Okay, you may message.
Sir, you can type in the chat box if you can't do it. Do the unmute. Yeah, any other masters? We enjoyed it, right? You should always you practice it today night and share tomorrow. Either in the chat box or anything. Tomorrow is the last day, right? Of this batch.
Yeah, Sindhura ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We can go ahead with meditation.
Yeah.
Yes. Masters, sit in a comfortable posture with spine erect. Those who are sitting on the floor, fold your legs, sit cross-legged. Make sure your back is straight, but don't be rigid. Clasp your fingers. Clasp your hands and gently close your eyes, masters. We are going to do Anapanasati meditation. Focus only your breath. If any thoughts are arising, bring your attention back to your natural, effortless breath. Okay, masters, we will now start the meditation. You may gently close your eyes. Ma'am, can we go ahead with the meditation? Yes. Gently close your eyes, masters. And focus on your breathing. body consciousness. Five, four, three, two, one. Bring your palms close to your eyes. You are winding up the session, masters. You can continue with the meditation. Who wants to continue the meditation? We'll meet tomorrow the same time.
Tomorrow we'll be having a program, like special program. Tomorrow will be the end of this batch, number 16. So please come with your talent, singing, anything.
Tomorrow is only sharing of experiences. Last day, right?
Yeah, sharing talents also.
Yeah, any sharing of experiences, like all the topics and all, what did you learn, and implementing those things.
Palani sir wants to speak, I think. You can
Madam,
unmute, sir.
good evening, madam. Small doubt, madam. Actually, I saw one message in Tamil Nadu, Vaniyambadi, conducting a pyramid spiritual conferences from February 7th to 9th. Can I confirm it, madam? Is it possible? But I couldn't get any address or contact number in Vaniyambadi, near Vellore, madam.
Okay, sir. I don't have information about it, sir.
Okay. Okay, madam. Thanks, madam. No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Bhuvana ma'am wants to speak, I think.
No, regarding Pariniyappan sir, what he asked, that is that Agastya pyramid near that Vaniyambadi. Actually what you want to know, sir? Shall I tell him?
Yeah, you can type your number, ma'am, so that I will give it to him. He can contact you.
Okay. Can you say? Okay, I'll have to type.
Or 1 or 2 minutes, you can share the information as well.
No, it's okay. If he wants, he can ask. No issues. Because I know the place that is near Vaniyambadi railway station.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
may tell your address here so that others can also know about that, if you want.
Okay. I will send it to this group, Mahavatar Foundation.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. If you can share right now also, you can share 1 or 2 minutes.
I have to go back and do. I'm not that technically good. I will just go to that PSSM Tamil website and I will send it in this group.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you share your number now, ma'am, or you can share it
97, yeah, 97314.
1 second, ma'am.
You want me to type? You want me to type?
Yeah.
And I have to go to chat and all. Okay, 97314. 1 minute. 9731469 408. 97314 Yeah,
97314
69408.
69408. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. We'll and we can
I will
end the
send the details. I will send the details in the group also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I think group is not allowed, no? It is only admin, isn't it?
Yeah, you can send to SP. SP will be there. That's my number. You can send it to that number. Admin SP.
Admin SP. Okay, okay. I will send it.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. We'll end the session, ma'am. Tomorrow we'll meet.